And it goes a little something like.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm just going to be doing a daily vlog. Today I'm like going. So before I did anything else, I want to do my calendar, which I will show you guys. Because today is February 26th. So in 2 days it'll be March, so I need to write my March calendar down. I have this one right here, and I'm gonna write like when all my bills are due, and this is just how I stay organized, keep track of everything before I do anything else today. Yeah, today is such a busy day. It's 8 a.m. right now. It's 8:06. Okay, let me do this, and then I'm gonna make some coffee because I have like a new coffee recipe, so I'll show you guys. But let's do my calendar first. So that's just really important for me to do because obviously as I've gotten older, I have like 20 bills that I have to keep track of, especially with the business. It's so much easier to just write it down on the calendar, and then if I ever doubt myself when things are due, I just look at the calendar. Now, let's go make my coffee, new recipe. Also, don't mind my hands. I spray tanned and I look a little crazy, but that's okay. Some Paxson jeans, and then a black cropped turtleneck underneath, and then my pretty little thing, crew neck. Okay, so it is now 9. I'm going to get my sticker for the back of my car because I don't want to get a ticket and they're a little crazy over here. Also, gonna get lunch with my brother and my dad because my brother works full-time, so he gets like a 30-minute lunch, so we meet him over there by where he works. And then after that, I have to do a client at 12:30. So let's go get my sticker. Okay, so I just went to lunch with my brother and my dad, and that was like really fun and it was really yummy. I just got like a soup and a sandwich. Now I am here at my salon suite because I have a client at 12:30 and it's a brow wax and tint, and I think I am going to record it and I might add it into this vlog. So let's go in and let's see if I do it. This is so good. So I got in the mail the cutest collar for Bentley. Oh my gosh. Do like a little haul. We just went shopping, so I went to Bath and Body Works and they had $10 off 3-wick candles, so I got this one, Crystal Waters. It smells so good. Then I got it in, oh my god, I got the wrong one. I was supposed to get Crystal Waters in a thing and I got Endless Weekend. Whatever, that's okay. And then I got the car scent. But this smells good and I think I'm gonna light it. This I'm so excited about. So, Aerie had bathing suits. So I got this bathing suit. And then I ordered the bottoms because they didn't have my bottoms. But this is the color. Isn't it so cute? So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits. And then I got a free underwear too. And then I got this bodysuit. So cute. Which I can wear just with like basically anything. I thought I got more, but and then I got this free lotion too. Which this one smells really good. It smells like sunscreen, but I like that smell. You ready? Up. Turn. Sit. Hop. Down. That's good. That's good. Stay. Stay. Okay, come. Come. That's good. That's good. You're so good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm actually currently editing like some of it. This is gonna be a good one. So I just like literally went to the gym. I ate my leftover enchiladas and now I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I'm gonna watch the rest of my canine intervention show, which is really good, and it shows how to like train dogs and how this guy does it so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.